Hi guys, welcome to my channel Divine Energy Tarot. Our today's topic is yes or no question with the advice card. Okay, this will be a short and quick reading. I have got new deck, new cards. You need to choose from 7 options. Okay, option 1, option 2, option 3, option 4, option 5, option 6, option 7. Please remember this will be a general reading, okay, and it won't match and resonate with each and every one of you. This will be a yes no question with the advice card. Quick reading, short reading. Okay, so we'll start with option 1. I'll show you the options. Option 1, this is option 1. This is option 2. This is option 3. Hope you can see. This is option 4. This is option 5. This is option 6. And this is option 7. If you want to take a personal reading with me, my details are in the description box below. If you want to donate anything, any deck, any crystal to this channel, details I will mention the link in the description box. We will start with the pile 1. Please remember it will be a general reading. So let's see what is your, you can ask your question, and if you want to choose and meditate, you can pause the video. We will start with 1. What is what is your answer, yes or no? The Rebel. Okay, pile 1, this is regarding emotional matter. Your question was regarding emotional matter. I feel like that a 4 of Cups card has come up for you. You are not thinking with your heart, not listening to your intuition, and the advice for you is that be rebellious. Guides, universe, angels is telling you to be rebellious, take action, don't go with the flow, change the flow. So the answer for you is be assertive. I would say it's maybe only yes when you take action and be rebellious and you don't go with the flow, then answer will be yes. But if you are sitting like this and not taking any action and not listening to your intuition and not being rebellious, then answer will be just try to be more rebellious, and then after that answer will be yes. Otherwise it's maybe. If you take action, answer is yes. If you don't take action, answer is maybe. So this is what I feel for you, pile 1. Okay, this is about your heart matter. Please start listening to your intuition and be rebellious, take action. So this is for pile 1. We'll move to the pile 2. If you have chose this option, answer is yes or no. Okay, King of Pentacles, we are the world, ask your angels. Guys, if I feel like your question was regarding money situation, and if it was not money situation, then it is regarding your marriage life situation. So you know the answer already, and I also feel like you should ask help from angels. So answer for you is that ask your angels, and advice for you is that we are the world. I think you should be be more united with your family, and don't think about materialistic things all the time. If your question was will I get the money, the answer is yes. If your question is will I get married, the answer is yes. If your question was will I get successful in business, I think you are already successful and you know the answer. If you don't know the answer, you can ask your angels, but answer is yes. Yes, the answer is yes. And this is regarding marriage. If marriage or married life, if this is not about marriage or married life, then this is regarding money. And the advice for you is that stay united, be united with your family members, and Don't think all the time about materialistic things. That is the advice for you. But whatever your question was, the answer is yes, and you also know it. But if you have any doubt, you keep doubting yourself. I also feel like that. If you have any doubt, you can ask your angels directly. You can do prayer, or otherwise else directly you can ask two angels. So this is what I feel for pile 2. Now let's see if you have chose this third option. Yes or no? Change. Oh, pile 3, the answer for you is yes, but this is not the right time. I think perfect timing, divine timing is there in your in your life. I think a lot of changes are also you are going through. For some of you, you can be on twin flame journey. For some of you, okay. I also feel like, you know, you have ended something, or some type of karmic cycle is at the completion. For some of you, I feel like this is not your first birth. This is not your first lifetime. You have lived many lifetimes before also. You can be a Leo, Taurus, Aries. Or you are dealing with Taurus, Leo, Aries, Scorpio also I am feeling. Scorpio sign also I am feeling. Yeah, so the answer for you is that this is not the right time. The answer is yes, but not yet. Not yet. On the perfect timing, on the right timing. And the advice for you that is that accept the changes. A lot of changes are coming up for you. Don't feel bad or sad if you have ended something, or some job or relationship has ended for you. Don't feel bad or sad, because the world card we have received, there are chances. If you have asked will you be able to travel, yes, the answer is yes. And if something has ended, relationship or job or career situation, then it was for your good, and a lot of big changes are coming up for you. A lot of big positive things and changes are coming up for you, whether it is love, whether it is money, whether it is career, and it will happen according to perfect timing, according to divine timing, and it will happen on right time. So this is the answer for you. Answer is yes, but not yet. This is not the right time. It will happen on divine timing, perfect timing. This is for option 3. Now we'll see for option 4 if you have chose this option. I hope you can see. Answer, let's see what is for you, yes or no. I think you group 4, you guys are confused, or you are like, you don't know whether which path to choose. Or you have two options, or you have two choices. It can be in relationship, you have got options, or it can be in job situation, you have got options. You have got two options and you are confused, don't know which path to choose. Okay. I think whoever chose this pile, I think you are a female watching this. I feel like that. Fourth option, whoever chose this, I think definitely you are a female. Yes. For some of you might love jewelry, or for some of you might love flowers or something like that. I am feeling like that. So yes or no. So for answer for you is that let go of the past and let go of the confusion. As of now, the answer is that you need to let go and grow up. And some type of transformation also is coming up for you, pile 4. If you have chosen this green stone, heart chakra stone, I think some type of transformation you are going through. That is why you feel confused. So answer for you is that, I won't say yes or no, but answer for you is that let go for the time being. Let it go. Whatever keeps you, whatever is holding back. Whether it is in your mind, whether it is some person, whether it is some situation, career, job, let it go for now. Accept the change with maturity, and transformation is going to come for you. And but as of now, you need to let go. As of now, the answer is, you need to let go. if it is about person, if it is about situation, if it is about job or career matter, you need to let go. Don't be confused. Come out of this confusion state and let it go. If things are not in your control, just let it go for now. Transformation and big changes are coming up for you guys. You'll also grow up mentally and emotionally and spiritually. I feel like that a lot of maturity is also coming up for you guys. I mean, also like you are very mature people, but still there will be a something next step will be coming up for you. Like you'll go to the next step. If you are on second step, you'll go to the third step. So something like that. Hope you got my point. So let it go. As for now, the answer for you is that. Okay. If you have chose this yellow stone, option number 5, let's see what is the answer for you. The High Priestess. Oh my god, totality. Ask for help from others. Okay, I think if you have chose this yellow stone, option number 5, you guys can be a healer, tarot reader, psychic, medium, intuitive person. If you are not a tarot reader, astrologer, psychic person, psychic, medium, then you are definitely you have very strong intuition, and you know the answers. You should ask yourself, or if you are not still clear, then you can ask for other tarot reader, or you can get a personal reading with me as well or you can else go to some spiritual person and ask for the help from others. You can go to a friend also. If he or she is your true friend, then only go. So yeah, whatever question you have asked, the answer is yes. But if you need some help, you can ask for help, and the advice for you is that totality. You are complete with yourself, in the sense you are I don't know how to explain this. You are a complete package. Because the High Priestess card, you have everything, you know everything. You are independent, you are intuitive, you are charming, you are very good communicator, you are very beautiful, you are very mature. So I think you are full package. You are complete in yourself. And so the advice for you is that don't doubt yourself, because you are enough. Totality. Don't doubt yourself. And if you need help, you can ask for the help from others, definitely from your true friends, or from your family members, or from a tarot reader or a spiritual person. You can ask a help. Otherwise, you yourself know, because your intuition is too strong. You yourself know the answer, and you are the complete package. The answer for you is yes. If you have asked anything, you have asked, the answer for you is yes. But I think this is regarding your life path. This is regarding your life path or life purpose, or this is for some of you this is regarding love matter, and for some of you this can be regarding home situation. I am feeling like that. Intuitively I am feeling home situation. So whatever your question was, the answer is yes. If you need help, you can ask for the help from a tarot reader, or from a spiritual person, or from your higher self, or you should go within, because you are a complete package. Your intuition is too strong. Okay, next, if you have chose this orange stone, option number 6, answer for you is that, what is the answer for, yes. Whatever you have asked, yes. See, can you see? The answer is yes. So you are also, I feel like you have asked about your job situation, or money situation, or career situation, or business situation. Yeah, this is regarding job situation. I feel like that. Or for some of you, you are juggling whether to do job or do business. Or for some of you, you are juggling between two options, but you are handling it perfectly, handling it correctly. You are an independent person. I also feel like that. So your confusion will be, you are also like abundant person. I am feeling like that. Advice for you is that sharing. If you have a lot of lot of fortune and good money, then you can share with less fortune people. I mean, you can share with those who is in the need. So sharing is the advice for you. The answer for you is yes, whatever you have asked. If it is regarding money, if it is regarding love, it is regarding anything regarding. But I think you are already stable and independent. If you have chose this option, I think you are single. For some of you, you are single. I feel like that if you have chosen this option, and you are handling your job and career and personal life and professional life very well. If you are confused about something or juggling about two situation or two people, it will be resolved. Okay, the answer is yes, and advice for you is that keep sharing your whatever you want to share. Okay, whatever extra you have, you can share it to others or to the needy person. The last option, last but not the least, the root chakra, red color. If you have chose this, hope you can see. Option number 7. What is the answer for you? I think you people are disturbed. Definitely you people are disturbed, and things are not going well, but now it will go well. You'll move to the calmer waters, from stormy waters to calmer waters. 6 of Swords we have received, and the answer for you is that peaceful resolution you will get. So answer for you is yes, and your message is that beyond illusion. So something is going to happen which will be like, shockingly surprise. It will surprise you, but it will be sudden. Some type of transformation also I am feeling, because there is a butterfly in this card. If you can see, there is a butterfly in this card. I also feel you should work on your third eye chakra. Your intuition also is very much strong. I am feeling like that. So whatever you have asked, peaceful resolution will be coming up for you. There is a rainbow in this card as well, rainbow. So I feel like a lot of positive changes are going to come up for you. If you want to get married, there are chances, yes, peaceful result. If you have fight with someone, yes. If you want your ex-boyfriend, answer is yes. If you want your ex-husband, answer is yes. If you are feeling any problem in your life, in any situation you feel stuck, the answer is that it will be resolved, and you will get so shockingly surprised, because it will be your advice is beyond illusion, So some type of definitely transformation is going to come up for you. So pile number 7, what a positive reading. This is what I feel for you guys, and hope you liked it. Please like, share, subscribe if you have really liked it, and please remember, it will not match with each and every one of you. Okay, thank you so much. Hope to see you in my next reading and video. So much. Bye bye.